My patient is 33 years of age and he is suffering from male pattern baldness type 6. So today we are going to plan his coverage with the help of FUT method of hair transplant, which is an strip method. So let us see a very important aspect of designing hairline. There's a very simple rule of 4, I'll tell you. Just put 4 fingers above the eyebrow, that should be the starting point. Similarly, on the sides, you can place. This is one way. Second is try to find out if any existing hair is there or not. So on close inspection, I can see there is one hair is here, there. Then these are few hairs we can see. So this is what I am able to see. So this is one landmark. Third thing is ask the patient to contract his frontalis muscle. Just try to look up. Yeah. So we can see that's the superior extent of frontalis contraction. Just relax. So now let us join these dots. And that's the way of designing hairline. Because designing hairline is very important, and while making punctures, one has to be irregular, because though we call it as a hairline, it is basically a zone. And in that zone, to start with, we have to place single follicles only. And as we go back, it will be a mixture of double, triple, whatever the follicles are available. So now the second thing is place now the second 4 fingers. So the extent of or the end of the second 4 finger is the area where you should try to give the maximum density, because this is the area which helps in personality judgment or personality assessment. We socialize this way by eye-to-eye contact. In eye-to-eye contact, this area is only visible. Beyond this 4 fingers area, it is not visible unless and until patient bows down his head or someone stands from behind and see the mid and the back scalp. So I have planned out to have a maximum density in the front 4 fingers area and then bit less density. So my plan is to cover the entire area, approximately 3,500 to 4,000 to 4,500 grafts. So that's the thing. And second thing, you can see there is a recession of his temporal triangles. So try to see the existing hairs and mark out. If we fail to reconstruct the temporal triangles, though you have done very good density here, still the patient will feel bit awkward and more aged. So basically, whenever the patient is coming for a hair transplant, one must look these 3 things so as to give a natural and normal result.